What, two. Iawn, everyone, we all good? Dach chi'n iawn? You good? Yeah? Smart. What an absolute pleasure it's been here. Man, I've had an amazing couple of days. So cool. Apologies I didn't get to meet everyone. I was hoping I could literally just meet everyone. But yeah, I didn't get the chance to meet you all. But so anyway, I've been sort of here, there, everywhere, grabbing little audio samples and creating a composition of all the amazing things I've heard. Dwi wedi bod yn recordio a ballu. So I've got this little track which I'm going to play to you in a minute. I'm going to just commit samples of just taking loads of little bits and snippets of the amazing things people have been saying in their sessions, just like literally stealing them and putting them in here. Hope that's okay. But before I get into that, we're going to do a couple of things. I won't keep you too long because I know time's short, but I'm just going to get straight into this, and then we're going to get straight into something else. Sounding okay? Yeah?
Transformation. Roll out. You're not ready. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to...
Oh, nice. Cool.
You like to...
Yes. All right, cool. So we're going to go straight into this, okay? I'm going to literally fly straight into this before I play this composition. Then mynd I trio gael ychydig bach o chydweithio. I'm going to try and get a little improvisational thing, but get you guys involved in this, okay? So I've got this machine over here. First of all, can you be a spawner before I explain this next bit? Simple, yeah? Press one button, press it again, it plays my voice back. Press one button, press it again, it plays my voice back. Press one button, press it again, it plays my voice back. Press one button, press it again, it plays my voice back. Okay, everyone with me so far? All right, step two, do a beat. Live and direct. Are you with me so far? All right, cool. So be dwi'n mynd I wneud, what I'm going to do is this now. I'm going to bring this all together. Dwi'n mynd I wneud hwn yn dwyieithog. I'm going to do this bilingually, okay? So I'm going to drop a beat. I'm going to loop it up. A wedyn dwi eisiau chi dal fyny. I want you guys to hold up random objects in the air. And I'm going to try and use my art form of beatboxing and bilingualism and lyricism to bring together a rap, utilizing whatever you hold up in the air, okay? I won't be able to get everyone because you haven't got enough time, but I'll try my best. So daliwch fyny be bynnag, you can hold up whatever you want in the air, and it's quite tricky to see as well because of lights, but I'll try. Okay, so let me get a beat rolling, and we're going to call this, na ni mynd I galw hwn, we're going to call this the Wahoo Ultimate Freestyle. Yeah, ma hwnna something cool. What do you reckon, Angela? Sound good? Let's get a beat. Okay. Let me turn the volume up on the vocal a bit here. You can hear me clearly? All right. Ni understand, blah blah yeah, blah 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 yeah, blah blah blah. Direct, check it out and that. I'm breaking it down like this. 1, 2, yeah. When I'm on the mic, I'm animated like a cartoon. We about to do a freestyle. This is all for Gwehyddu. Royal all yeah, it's can brag. How do some of them line? The way I'm rhyming like this is called the Gwehyddu sign. I keep it going. Flows is ill. No Rihanna. If we're talking about Rihanna, it's raining and need an umbrella. See the way I be putting the rhymes together. Lost in the matrix like Neo up in the Nebuchadnezzar. We flip your gaze, said you thought through out in the share. Unprepared. That's something I don't need. It's a brush for your hair. See the way I be rolling along. I'm randomly using your words up to make a song. Plus I never do it wrong. We flip your gaze style, lyrically teaching classes of Seamang and Weld. I might have to borrow your glasses. Well, the ffordd we roi the spectol, bis yn gael llombol. Pan mynd I rapio lawr yn yr ysgol, keeping it going, I be that one-man crew. I've got mad skills from the head to the shoe. Dwi roi yn ôl iaith Gymraeg, roi o lawr ar y traed. Mr. Phormula, travelling worldwide with the iaith Gymraeg. Breaking it down, I come through. Yn y lle now, rock a microphone like bendir geidr yn y car. Look, I'm into rap, but I'm not really a thug. I get your mind charged up like I was using your plug. Dwi roi yn ôl efo gilydd, that's like an iPhone charger. List the formula, the lyrical barrage. Flip your gaze style, plus I never get stuck. Why are you holding up that sort of plastic empty cup? Gei di roi the cup loud, flows is raw, skills galore. Soon as I walked in through the front door, we flip your gaze style, don't throw it animated like a cartoon. That's why it rhymes with the word spoon. Is that a spoon? I can't really see it properly. Mr. Format on mic, never stopping me. Oh, sorry, it's not a spoon, excuse me. He wanted me to go into his house, I'll have to borrow your key. Well, the ffordd I roi y geiriau hefo'i gilydd. Fi gynrychioli Cymraeg heb dim cywilydd. Breaking it down, lyrically I see in the dark. Mr. Phormula, keep the mic warm like a nice flask. Well, the geiriau hefo'i gilydd nawr. Dal y rock a microphone like ar a roll, ar a don't stop. Get your brain going on the flip-flop. Mr. Phormula, open up your brain like a laptop. Roi your gangster, not a gangster, wearing a bandana. Dwi'n fan of freestyle like a banana. Well, the ffordd I roi geiriau hefo'i gilydd yn y lle. Dropping the lyricals o'r gogledd I de. Fi symud ymlaen. When I was younger, I used to sign a gyro, but now I live off my art form, I don't need a biro. Well, the ffordd I roi geiriau yn y lle nawr. I rock a microphone like ar a roll out. Wow, come through with the mad sublime rhyme. I'm about to finish there because I'm aware we don't have a lot of time. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Cool. Diolch yn fawr iawn. So yeah, agostach sio weld if you want to see me on any social media, it's Mr. Phormula. Or if you do have time to say hello before you go, come and say hello. I was good again get to see you all. But there we go, we're all good. So mae'n just amazing fod mewn gofod mor creadigol. It's just amazing seeing so many amazing people all under one roof. Yeah. So big up Wahun for that. Parch enfawr. Give Wahun one more shout. Cool. All right, iawn. So let's play this tune then, yeah? I'm not sure how it's going to sound through a massive PA because I've been doing it all in headphones and we haven't had loads of time to do it. But like I say, I've been taking little snippets of everyone, putting it all together. You can have a copy of this at the end. Like I'm sure Angela will email it to whoever wants it, okay? So here we go. This is the Wahun track. Let's try this out.
So much that is true to ourselves must be felt first by the heart before it can be understood by the mind.
The value in the art is the art.
Exploring questions.
Cael fy ffordd o ddod o bobl efo gilydd.
Connection and flow.
I fi ydy fod yn rhydd a presennol I gallu anghofio, ymlacio, mwynhau ac fod yn hapus.
Mwy o less is how we feel. We keep it real, use the arts to heal. You're unique, din un o fil. Fasanion in many layers to peel. We all are a book, ERV. Pages fall like the leaves of a tree. Each word a seed. Inspire and believe every single heart in our community.
Human beings are born to create, and creating is our superpower.
Music and art is a path that shapes us more than we shape it.
Creadigrwydd ydy just fi.
Ti'n cael pawb mewn stafell, mae pawb yn dechrau rhannu.
Mwy o less is how we feel. We keep it real, use the arts to heal. You're unique, din un o fil. Fasanion in many layers to peel. We all are a book, ERV. Pages fall like the the leaves of a tree, each word a seed. Inspire and believe every single heart in our community.
We need to create the conditions for people to have lives of dignity and for children to have the prospect of a flourishing future. We should not make poverty destiny. We should not have today's adults saying children will have a worse life than we did. That's quite wrong.
Cool. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Amazing. Such a cool process putting it together. If you want a copy of it, you know, I'll email it to Angela and then Angela can email it on to whoever wants. I'll mix it a little bit more just to make it a little bit clearer. But yeah, diolch yn galon I chi am gael fi draw. Thank you so much for having me. It's an absolute privilege and pleasure being here. So, parch mar, and I'm looking forward to collaborating with you all and get in touch anytime. And yeah, let's make this happen. Yeah. Pasio chi nôl. Diolch yn fawr.